Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain Extrude Curvature Surface. See, here you can see the surface of this extrude is matching to the top surface of the block. So I am going to explain this. So you have taken a sketch in the front plane. So the top surface is with the spline. So select the sketch, go to feature, select mid plane, and I have taken 150 and say OK. And in the top plane I have created one circular slot and a elliptical shape. I am going to extrude this, selecting the sketch. See here, I will keep it in front view and select a blind. See here. So, see, when I create with extrude, simple extrude, the surface is flat, but whereas I need surface matching to this top side of the block. So what we have to do in this case is simply we have to select surface from this surface and select the value as 20. See here. See, automatically it creates the same surface matching to this. Even we can reduce it. So this is useful while we make any logos or any plastic components, so embossing on the plastic components. So this option is useful. See here, when I keep it in front view, see here, it is matching to the curvature. So this is brief about Extrude Curvature Surface. Thanks for watching.